Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to use Public Stock app, full guide. Open the app and follow the sign-up prompts to create your account and secure it. Start by linking a bank account and choosing deposit options that fit your budget. Learn how to navigate the home feed, search for tickers, and follow creators. I'll walk you through placing your first buy, setting alerts, and customizing your watch list step by step. Tap around the app to see all the tools available and feel comfortable using them. Check a stock page for price charts, fundamentals, news, and community posts before deciding. Practice with fractional shares if you prefer investing small amounts like $5 or $10 to build confidence. Use watch lists to track ideas and set price alerts so you never miss a move. I'll explain chart ranges, order types, and how to inspect your portfolio performance clearly. If this guide is helping you, please like the video and subscribe for more easy finance tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Pick up Little Tree's black ice for a crisp scent while you research stocks. I find a fresh car helps me focus on charts during commutes. Check the description for the product link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. When you're ready to trade, tap buy or sell and pick market or limit order based on your strategy. Enter the amount in dollars or shares, double-check the estimated execution price, and confirm the trade. After placing an order, monitor the Open Orders section to see status and fill confirmations. I'll show how to cancel a pending limit order, rebalance positions, and use order history to keep records for taxes and review.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.